In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve Evernote notes. Whether you've accidentally deleted a note or simply changed your mind, recovering your valuable information is a straightforward process. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the trash. To do this, open your Evernote application. Once you're in, take a look at the list of your notebooks. This is typically located on the sidebar of the interface. Scroll to the very bottom of this list. Here, you'll find a section labeled Trash. The trash acts as a holding area for all the notes you've discarded, allowing you the opportunity to recover them at a later time if necessary. Now, after accessing the trash section, your next task is to select the note you wish to restore. Browse through the list of deleted notes until you locate the specific one you're interested in retrieving. Keep in mind that if your trash is extensive, it might take a little bit of scrolling to find the desired note. To make your search easier, look for the title of the note, or if recognizable, remember some of its contents. Once you find it, click on the note to select it, bringing it into focus for the restoration process. With your note selected, the next step is to restore it. In the Evernote interface, right-click on the selected note. This action will open a context menu with several options. Among them, you will see Restore Note. Click on this option, and just like that, your note will be moved out of the trash and back into your active notebooks, exactly where it was before it was deleted. It'll be like it never left, maintaining all its original formatting and attachments. This process is not only simple, but incredibly useful for ensuring that your important information remains accessible, even if it was mistakenly disposed of. A handy tip to remember is that you can't recover notes if they've been permanently deleted from the trash. So, it's always a good idea to routinely check your trash for any notes you might want to keep before they're automatically purged. Also, if you find yourself frequently retrieving notes from the trash, consider organizing your notebooks more efficiently or implementing a labeling system that helps in categorizing your notes according to their urgency or importance. With these steps, you can confidently manage your Evernote notes without the fear of losing crucial information permanently. I hope this guide helps you in maintaining a more organized and retrievable collection of notes within Evernote. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials to make the most out of your Evernote experience.